Hello, hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon with another reveal. This is Moving Parts, Moving Folios Minis Style 9 featuring the gorgeous Seaside Escape Collection. This is such a fabulous collection, guys. Wait till I open this. So it's a Seaside Escape. I use the digital printed 8 by 8. I do have the paper pack available in the 12 by 12 in my shop if you want to pick that up. Are you ready, my friends? Are you? Well, let me show you the back. The back is just stunning as well. Look at that. How beautiful. All right, this is just so thrilling when I open these up to share with you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Total gorgeousness. Is this a word? Gorgeousness? Total gorgeousness. I adore this paper collection. It's so fun. It's so vibrant. It's so cute. You can use it for all your summer pictures, my friends. It is so, so fun. It's got a little element of whimsy to it with these fun little animals here, these little characters here. And it has everything you need to tell the story. It is just gorgeous. Shall I open this? First of all, let me show you the inspiration layout because it is something to see, my friends. So here are the two inspiration layouts that I used to create this gorgeous little number here. And there is a credit. I love these two layouts because the credit is right here on screen. And thank you so much for designing these layouts. They made my project just so fabulous. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So back to the folio. All right, so let's unpack, shall we? So this is look. So all of those layers. So I just want to go back to the uh, inspiration layout right here. So there's that first opening. So we're on the left hand side. There's that first set that opens right there. I just opened that with a little bow. So that's that. I have this super cute little photo mat here with this dangle. How adorable is that? Then this opens up again right here. This opens up right here. This is a magnet right here. I want to share that this is a pocket here for 4 by 6s. All right, and I like to show you the paper. So I didn't put 4 by 6s in here because the paper, my friends. So you can do two 4 by 6s in here. This fun little embellishment off the end. This fun border here. These are for what I like to call a cropped version of a 5 by 7, right? So I would crop this right here to show off my baby girl in this big format here. Look at this one printed at 5 by 7. How gorgeous would this be? Cropped, right? Just beautiful. I love it. So that's what that's for. If you don't want to do that, of course, you can collage your 4 by 6s on here. Absolutely. You can do that. But if you want to keep it interesting, then you want to print larger photos and chop those up. All right, so look at the fun embellishments in this collection. Look at this little notebook, guys. Look at this little notebook. I take you through the process. All right, they're so easy to put together. Mirror image on the embellishments to get this look. All right, I show you how to do that in a video as well here on my YouTube channel. I like this to stick out. This is a piece of acetate where you can stick a photo right behind there. This comes off. I don't know if I showed you that this is just a two-sided piece. It's like a paper clip. And that's done for that side, my friends. This side over here, look, oh my gosh. So let's take a look at the inspiration photo. So I want to see in the inspiration photo, it shows your pictures, 3 pictures in the front and center. So we're on the right-hand side. And then on the right-hand side still, there's a 4 by 6 there as well. I chose to not do photos right in the front cover because there's so much room on the inside In the process videos, I show you with photos. Okay, I take you through that. I show you that very quickly. As opposed to the pattern paper, I show you the photos, the white paper, which represents the photo. But again, because there's so much room in this folio here for 4x6s and larger, I decided to go with embellishments and pattern paper for the front. And then and then smaller photos, right? And then when you open it, you get that opportunity for 4x6s and all sorts of varying sizes of photos. Okay? When you open it, you get that opportunity for 4x6s, right? You can do two 4x6s here if you'd like to, all right? So there is ample space for 4x6s in this project that you don't have to showcase it in the front. If you want to, absolutely. Replace this yellow paper with your photos and done. Replace this here with the photo and done. We've got the photo space here. When you open it, we have the photo space on the inside of each of these panels, okay? Photo can go here instead of pattern paper. Photo, right? You can do all of that, of course. Absolutely. Now, when you open it up, again, because that's not it, you open it up again and you get this, right? Let me grab those 4x6s so we can show you. You get this where you put 4x6s in this pocket. You can do 2, 3 of them. Then you open this up. Look at that fun little finial there on the end. You open this up and you get what I call a deconstructed envelope, right? So you get your photos here. This is a pocket for 4x6s right here. Did I glue this? I almost glued it. For 4x6s, you can even put a little photo here if you want to. You can put a little piece of mirror here if you want to, and you can get a little peekaboo action. This is an undercut pocket here. Look at the back for your 4x6. Look at all of the photo mats in here. 1, 2, and 3. That stationary one attached to the page or to the page. And fun little embellishments right here. Just beautiful. So this is why I did not do the photos in the front, because I have so much room on the inside. So I just had a blast with the pattern paper, guys. I had a blast. I mustn't tell a lie. It was just so much fun. And then over here, we open this up and oh my goodness. What do you think about this, my friends? For your photos. Another booklet, because it's too good not to have another little booklet, right? Right here as a finial to this closure. How fun is this? You can put a little paper clip here if you want to. One of these jammies, right? No, that one may add too much bulk. Let's just go with the paper clip. Yes. Oh, well, anyway, let's open this up. Look. Look at that undercut page. Of course, for your 4x6 photos, guys. You can even put this that way, right? For your 4x6 photos, you want to see something super fun and interactive? The purse opens. You can put a little something in here. I didn't put anything in here, but look, can you? You absolutely can. All right, you just got to tuck it in just so and cut it just to the right size. You can put a little magnet here. It opens. I show you how to make it. 4x6. Oh, of course, I forgot something. 4x6. And a cropped version of a 8x10. Do we know what that is? Do we know what that is? I talk about this all the time. I showed you in this one. This is style 8. So this was an 8x10 photo. And I cut it down because there's all sorts of stuff around the photo. And this is what you do, my friends. Look at that. How beautiful. Then a 4x6 over here. Just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I am in love with how this turned out. I'm in love with the paper collection. Just gorgeous. I hope you guys love it. And let me know what you think in the comments down below. Did you pick up style 8? Did you pick up style 9? Which one is your favorite so far? Remember that the paper collections and these projects are on sale when I show them. So if you have not picked up the Seaside Escape collection and you want it, if you want it for your lifetime, you pick up the digital collection. If you don't have a printer and you would love the 12 by 12, then you pick up the hard copy. If you're like me and you love paper, you pick them all up, right? So there it is, my friends. Really gorgeous and beautiful. Simple cover that tells a story. And done. Done and done. Moving Parts Page Folios Minis Style 9 featuring the Seaside Escape collection. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And until next time.